Let's go.
Hi guys! In this video is about how to make your digital notes aesthetic in Microsoft Word like this. So let's get started. We open the browser, type in keyword the font. You can choose any font that is like handwrite, whatever, depending on taste. I usually use the calligraphy script like handwriting, so it's just like aesthetic. When you get the font you want, click download. And open the download file. After that, we extract and install the font that was downloaded. We open the Microsoft Word, set the paper margin of all 0.1 except left is 1.5. If you want the grid, click grid line. You can find the font that you have installed. We go back to the browser, type the keyword leaf or cactus aesthetic PNG. You can choose the picture that suits your wishes. So instead of actually typing it over and over again and spending a lot of time with it, you can just copy paste it from your notes, making them look aesthetic, which is obviously my favorite. You can do that one by adding photos, adding more highlights, and then changing the font. If the form is an PNG, set transparent color. Choose the color you want to make transparent and write text behind the text.
Let's go.
Notes are done. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you. Bye.